Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have a package here. This is some friend mail, happy mail, love mail, rack, whatever you want to call it. And this from Miss Debra Vinton. Thank you, Miss Debs. I really appreciate it. She sent me some mail, happy mail, love mail, whatever you want to call it, and it's to help me with my junk journal. Now, guys, I haven't finished my first 3 signatures, but I got 3 more signatures in the works. So yeah, that's why I can't get nothing done. I'm always all over the place. But let me show you what goodies she sent. I'll pull these out. And I actually peeked a little bit. Okay, and let's start with here. And like I said, I peeked a little bit. I didn't peek a lot. Let's see what these are. Flowers. Okay. She has some. Oh, that is cute. Look at this. That is so cute how she got those packaged in. Flowers. Okay, and a little book page envelope. Okay. All right, I see you, Miss Debs. And you know that those are going, that's going in the book. Circles. How cute. Okay. Small words, which I really need. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at there. Beautiful, beautiful. Notes, glory. What is this? Seriousness of solitude. Ooh. Blessing, gratitude. No, I'm sorry, that's gratitude. This is gentleness. Oh yeah, got some. Oh, there's another one in there. Oh, some more in there. Wait a minute, let me see. Preserving. Okay, and y'all, I can't see. Empowered. Feeling. Feel beautiful. Okay. And see, the words are going in and the envelopes are going in. And it says clocks and circles. This is so nice. I love how you did these envelopes. And you know what? I just downloaded some pictures of clocks. Do I even have the thing up here that I was trying to do? I don't see it. If I find it before this video is over with, I'll show you what I was talking about. Oh, and oh my goodness. Okay. Let me stop, because I will stop this video and go look for what I'm thinking about. Okay, ooh, this is cute. I love this. Is this a paper napkin, Miss Debs? Ooh, more stuff, more goodies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. See, this is what I'm talking. See, I can't do this. I wished I could, but I can't. Everybody else is so pretty to me. These collages, I cannot. To me, I can't collage worth nothing. But that is so cute. I would never think to do anything like that. My poor brain just don't work like that. We got another couple in here. This says butterflies. Girl, you did. These little teensy weensy envelopes. Look at them. Little cute little butterflies. I hope you guys can see these. That is so cute. That is so cute. And, oh my goodness. Okay, okay. This says bows. Alright, Miss Debs. Let's see. Okay, look at that. That is cute. How about that? I love this. Oh my goodness. And some one more. Now let's see if I can't grab that one. That is too cute. Thank you so much, Debs. This is going to be awesome, especially in my new one, which I had to figure out what I'm going to do with it, because I'm still working on the first one, and I'm still working on actually all 3 signatures. I'm working on all 3 signatures at once. Let me put this back in there. That is all the stuff, if I can get it in my book, is going in my book. Okay, that's my note. Oh, that's cute. And you know this is going in too, right? This is going right on in the journal, in my junk journal. Okay, and we got some, was library cards. Is it more than one? Okay, yes, we got 2 library cards with the pockets. Okay, we can do that. Not, you know what? I think I can do the collage with the paper napkins. With the napkins, I think I could do that. I'm gonna try that. Oh, okay. Pocket cards. Oh, you know what? I wanted some of these. These are cute. I wanted some of these, but I just had never been able to get to Tuesday morning to get any. And besides, the Tuesday morning that I go to didn't have any. When I did go, they didn't have any. Thank you so much, Debs. I wanted these. Those are beautiful. Okay, and I think these are called policy envelopes, which I do not have, not any. And now I have 3, 1 for each of my new signatures. Yes, thank you very much. Ooh, we got some nice flowers here. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, that's cutesy. Maybe able to kind of color these like with some glimmer mist or something. These are nice. I like these. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, these are really pretty too. These are, I love these colors. And you know, these are the ones that I think I would try to do like a dimensional memory dex card with, but I still want to use these in the junk journal because these have a vintagey feel to me. In my opinion, they have a vintagey feel. These are pretty too. Y'all have the best stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I just can't find good stuff most of the time. But those are real nice. Okay. And I got some tickets here. Ooh, yes. I got some tickets that's going in as well. Yes. Okay, and we got this. What is this? I have no clue, but guess what? It's some ephemera, and it's going to be used as well. Got the back to journal on. Got this front for interest. Yes. And then we got some more ledger paper. Yes, yes, yes. Ledger paper. Oh, my goodness. Yes, hunty, yes. And this is enough for my next journal. So I got more ledger paper. Have mercy. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Miss Des. Let me open your note. Oh my goodness. Just look at y'all. Okay, y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not gonna read y'all what's on the inside. Let me see. Because she is such a sweet lady. You know, I'm gonna read it, not to y'all though. I'm gonna read it to me, but isn't that gorgeous? See, I just can't do stuff like this. I wish I could make cards. I can't. But this is beautiful card. This is a beautiful card. Thank you so much, Miss Debs. Where's my book? Where's my book? Where's my book? Where is my happy book? My embellishment book. Let me find it. Okay, here's my embellishment book. Let me raise y'all a little bit. Here's my embellishment book. And let's get some of this stuff in here, because this is some of the stuff that I'm working with. Well, actually, I'm working with all this stuff. I got things from Miss Leela in here. These little things that I did. Some stuff again from Miss Leela. And some things that I had left over from Miss Nooks and Macy's. So I'm gonna get everything. Well, I ain't gonna say everything. I'm gonna get as much of it as I can in here, because I want to use everything. I want to use everything that you guys give me, because I really appreciate you taking time out to select things for me and then to send them to me out of the goodness of your heart. I really appreciate it, and I am going to use it. It's not going to sit around and look cute on the shelf. No, it's going to get used. It's all going to get used. So let me see. I think, do I have a spot? Let me see. I might have to move some stuff around with these things right here. I'm gonna put in here with, this is just my stuff that I did, and I'm gonna put it in here. Let me take this out first. So I'm gonna put this in here. So that way, to me, if I keep everything together, then I know that I won't miss anything. I can always come to my embellishment book and find stuff that I need to work with. So we're going to put this stuff over here. The Bobunny cards, like I said, I think these are policy envelopes. These library pockets, this tag, because I got some tags right there. I'm going to put this in here. Come on. Y'all share the space. Share the space. Okay. Be nice and share. Let me see. Can I get you down further? Okay. And I got these flowers right here. Get in there. Get in there. And I have these right here. And I'm going to put these in here. Okay, there we go. And I got these things right here left over, and I'm just gonna put these in the front pocket right here. That way they are still in my eyesight, so I won't forget about them. Okay, and I got a couple of cards right there, and what did I do with my card from Miss Debs? Did I? Oh Lord, Miss Debs, I think I put your card in one of these things. Yep, there it is. No, that's the policy envelopes. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so special. Oh, okay, it's right here. I'm gonna put it in up front with the rest of the cards. Let me put this stuff in the back. Now, I'm gonna show y'all something that I was working on years ago and never finished. And it's this thing right here. It's supposed to be an insert for a mini album. And you open it up, and this is attached. It's supposed to be attached to that side, and then you open it, and then you put pictures and stuff there, or journaling, close it, and then you have this side over here, which opens like this, and then you have like a belly band type situation that goes right there, and then you have an insert here. You have an insert for right here. You can't see that good. Insert that goes right there, and then this insert is made like a little booklet like that, and then you got two photo mats right there. One day I'm gonna finish this. I just don't know when. One day, but I'm glad I actually kept up with it, because it could have gone by the waist. It could have fallen by the wayside, been in the trash somewhere. But I kept up with it, so that's cool. Okay, okay, I'll leave you all right there. And I don't want to bend in that. Let me just put this back here in the back. We'll put this back here. And I don't think this is, I don't think it's, but you know what, I'm going to find some way to store this so that it doesn't get ruffled, whatever. So now look at my embellishment book. I really have a gator mouth embellishment. Can y'all see all the whole book? I really have a gator mouth embellishment book for my junk journals. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Miss Debs. Now I got stuff in here from Miss Nukes and Macy's, from Miss Leela, from Crafts and Hauls with Leela, and now Miss Debra Vinton. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. And remember, still rule dies, still rule. Bye-bye, love bugs.